sockets doing this too, but so this one and this one down here. Pin, the washer. Come around the inside. You're going to remove this pin.
Okay.
And the vice grips. Slide this down. Put the vice grip on. Doesn't have to clamp on real tight, but you want to slide this down, exposing that hole, right, that we're going to put the clip into. Far enough you can see this second hole. Put the other clip in there. All right. What you want is enough clearance that you can lift this up when this is removed, when the pothole mechanism is removed. Loosen off the bottom tray hinge pin and using a brass drift and a hammer you have to drive that lower pin down so this top of this bar will come past that top hinge. This one doesn't have to go down very much. Don't need a video of that. Okay, so you raise the bar, manually raise the bar up. This is going to tilt back. I'm going to lift the plunger bar up, okay, and then remove it from the machine. Or dirt out of here. I'll get an airline, but make sure that's cleaned out.
Go move it.
Right? You can see that lock right there. That lock, this cam lock needs to slide into that. Okay. All right. You want to lift this up. Lift the bar up, make sure the lock is centered in there, slide. Set that in. Okay, that's fired out
Okay.
when you're doing that. So that, oh yeah. So then we just set it back. So centered, fastened, secured. Place the cover. That's good.